In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Google Sheets with formatting effortlessly. Many of us work with Google Sheets, and preserving the format while moving data is crucial. So, whether you're dealing with cell highlights, font styles, or color codes, it's beneficial to know how to transfer them correctly. Let's explore 4 easy methods to achieve that. First, let's talk about copying and pasting the formatting only. This is super handy when you have a specific format you'd like to replicate without altering the existing data in your destination cells. Start by selecting the cell or range of cells that have the formatting you wish to copy. Once you have your selection, press Ctrl C if you're on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command C if you're using a Mac. This copies the formatting to your clipboard. Now, head over to the destination cells where you want to apply this format. Here, right-click and hover over the option that says Paste Special. Choose either Format Only or Paste Format Only from the list. If you prefer shortcuts, there's an alternative. Use Ctrl Alt V on Windows Chrome OS or Command Option V on a Mac, then choose the Format Only option. And just like that, your cells should now have the same formatting as the original ones. Moving on to the second method, we have the Paint Format tool, an often underestimated feature. Begin by selecting the cells with your desired formatting. Next, look towards the toolbar for an icon resembling a paint roller. That's the Paint Format tool. Click on it. With the tool now active, click on the cells where you want to replicate the formatting. If you wish to apply the format to multiple locations, double-click the Paint Format icon. This keeps it active, so you can apply the formatting to as many places as you need without having to click the icon each time. Method 3 involves duplicating the entire file. Sometimes it's just easier to work with a full copy of your file, particularly when you want to keep both data and formatting intact. Start by opening the original Google Sheet file. Go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Make a Copy. This will create a new Google Sheet file that's an exact replica of the original, including all the sheets, data, formatting, and formulas. It's particularly helpful when you need to maintain the entirety of a spreadsheet structure and content. Lastly, if you need to duplicate a specific sheet within the same workbook, there's a simple way to do so. Go to the tab of the sheet you wish to duplicate, located at the bottom of your spreadsheet. Right-click on the tab, and from the context menu, select Duplicate. This action will create a copy of that sheet within the same workbook, retaining all the original formatting and formulas. And there you have it, 4 straightforward ways to manage Google Sheets. Formatting with ease. By mastering these techniques, you can save significant time and ensure consistency across your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!